Hey everybody, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today we are fixing a broken handle to a sliding door. It was broken by this woman.
I didn't do it.
With her raw strength.
Well, okay.
She
yeah, I did do it.
A metal door handle.
So I'm super strong.
So if you have strength issues, you know, there's lots of ways to fix that. But today we're going to fix the problems that are secondary to that. So, broken handle, okay. I mean, you might think, hey, maybe I should tape this or glue it together or something. But the fact of the matter is if a piece of metal broke in half, tape or glue is not going to hold it together. So you're going to need a replacement part. And so we were able to go to Home Depot and they have basically the exact same part. So this is going to be a pretty easy fix. Just going to unscrew it, screw this one in, and yeah, real simple. So okay, now we're going to show how to disassemble this. We're going to unscrew both the screws on this current door.
Lefty loosey, everybody. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. There we go. You do that one too,
yeah.
Right? I do. Yeah, of course you do. That makes sense.
You're going to want to hold this. It could fall apart without the screws in.
What? That's good to know.
All right, and that'll come out. Now keep these screws. We're gonna reuse these screws to put the new handle in. All right, now we're going to not reinstall. We're gonna put in the new handle. We put the old screws back in there. The pack did come with screws, but they are smaller than the screws that are required for this door. So we're gonna have to use the old screws unless we wanna buy new screws. So pretty easy. Just gonna put these in.
What do I... Is this gonna work? Just like that. Are these pushed in far enough? Or... No, it is. It is. I just need it.
That's good. Don't tighten it too tight. Okay. You want to tighten them, like, just get them both so they're kind of tight, and then tighten them up the rest of the way.
Okay.
Okay. That's fine. You don't need to go too crazy.
Go all the way or not at all.
Okay. Thanks you guys for watching. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.